Hello my loves, today I recreated this Valentine's Day look. So if you want a step-by-step tutorial, keep on watching. Hello lovelies, today I'm gonna jump into this full Valentine's Day glam. I'm gonna start off by priming my face. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Moisturizing Primer, lightly putting that all over my face as a base. Then I'm gonna do my brows. I'm going to just fill in my sparse areas. I really don't have a lot of brows, so I fill them in to the best of my abilities, and then I underline and clean them up. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer. This is in shade 50WY. I'm gonna use that to clean up my brows. I'm gonna go ahead and place this concealer all over my lids so that way I can prep my eyes for eyeshadow. After I get that smooth base that I want, I'm gonna blend it out, and then I'm going to set it with a Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now go ahead and take my first shade, which is going to be my transition shade, and I'm going to start blending that out lightly and packing that into my crease area. This step is going to be important because later on I'm going to cut my crease, so I want that crease to be very dark, very pigmented. So I'm going to pack that into the crease area, and then I'm going to blend it out. I feel like I have those blends perfected with the shades that I've chosen, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Orgy palette by Jeffree Star. I'm gonna use their darkest shade, and I'm going to start blowing that eyeshadow out on the outside crease area. I want a very smoky Valentine's Day look, so continuing to blend but drag it out to give me that cat eye shape is going to be important. Then I'm going to take the PLouise Blank Canvas Cosmetic Paint, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. This product does not need to be set because it dries in 30 seconds or less. I love using the PLouise Cosmetic Paints. They're everything when it comes to cutting the crease. It just makes the job so much easier. I'm going to go ahead with the Ingla Gel Liner. I love this liner. It's in the shade 77, which is their blackest shade. I'm going to place this on the top lid, inner lid, and then I'm going to tightline with this product. I'm going to go in with the SFX NYX Cosmetic Paints. These are their new cosmetic body paints. I really love this. It's creamy and smudge proof, so it's amazing to do any detail work and line work. gonna go in with the Maybelline mascara, and I'm gonna give my lashes one good coat. This is for the next step when I do apply my lashes. I just want to make sure that I have a nice black underbase. I'm going to use a little bit of micellar water and a cotton round, and I'm going to clean out any fallout that I'm having underneath my eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Dewy Mist by Tarte. This is going to hydrate my skin right before foundations. Then I'm going to go in with the Duo Lash Glue. I like to line my lashes and put them to the side to completely dry. This is going to ensure that my lashes don't shift and slip and slide all over my eyeshadows that I just worked so hard to perfect, and give me a seamless application. I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in shade medium, and I'm going to place this on my T-zone. Those who watch my videos know I don't like to use a lot of foundation. In fact, sometimes I don't use foundation at all. So using a full coverage concealer is going to hide all the imperfections and give my skin that nice good coat that I need. Now I like to blend out the product with a damp beauty blender. This just ensures that it distributes the product evenly and the beauty blender does not absorb the product. So it gives your skin a more luminous and healthy finish. Now I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Tinted Moisturizer. I'm really loving this product. Tinted moisturizers in general are a good choice if you prefer a natural makeup look. I specifically love this brand because it contains hyaluronic acid and gives my skin some nourishment. So it helps me give a healthy appearance to my makeup. Now I'm going to go in with the Pinky Rose Contour Palette. This is palette 2, and I really love these cream contours. It just allows an easier blend. I'm going to go in with the Rare Beauty Liquid Blush. This is in the shade Happy. I like liquid blush to keep your base looking fresh and natural without the buildup. Now I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Banana Setting Powder, and I do this on a powder puff. I don't like to put all that setting powder on your face. You don't want to give your face a cakey look. You want it to be more blurring and more soft. So make sure to take off the excessive powders so that way you don't have that all caking underneath your eye or on your face. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and this is just going to set that cream product into place. I'm going to go in with the Hourglass Ambient Light palette. This powder is like a finishing powder, so it enhances the skin in any type of light. I love it because it just makes it appear softer and younger. So now that I'm done with my face, I can go back into my lashes. And as you can see, I did not put more glue on my lashes. This lash is going to be sticky enough to apply without moving and slipping and sliding. Now I go back in with my Ambient Light palette, and I'm going to use the highlighter that's in this palette. And like I said, I just love the softer appearance. Gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake and Snatch pressed powder. This is in Peach Pie. I really love this powder for helping mattifying the skin and shine throughout the day. This powder just gives me that ultimate bright look that I'm looking for. Now, I always tell you guys what goes up must come down, so I'm going to blend my lower lash line with the same colors I use on my lid. Gonna go in with some more mascara and blend my lashes to my falsies. And then I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill highlighter, and that highlighter is just for a more blinding effect. I'm gonna go in with the NYX lip pencil. I'm just gonna line my lips with this. I love the nude on the lips when you have a bright eye going on. Then I'm gonna jump in with the Essence High Shine lip gloss. This is in a pretty pink. Then I'm gonna go in with the Duo Lash Glue, and I'm going to outline where I want my rhinestones. Okay ladies, we are all done. I am going to use the One Size setting spray and I'm going to melt all that makeup into place. Okay ladies, this is the final look. I hope you really love this tutorial. I love doing these type of makeup looks for you. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a comment below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop a new video. I love you all. I'll see you soon.